Okay, um, welcome guys. Today we are going to discuss how to clean up messy data on Excel. As you can see this set of data here on these two columns here. So if you can see this data very well, you see that most of them start with small letters. So like this one Sam, this one Ryle, and then some of them too. Like if you check them from here to here, you will see that most of them start with small letters. Likewise, this particular column too. Then apart from that, the spacing too, most of them have a wrong spacing, like this one Rooney. You can see a little space at the back here. So on this one, Charles, a little space at the back here. So this particular column too. So in order to avoid having like complicated issues when maybe we are trying to analyze a set of data with all these errors. So in order to avoid um, some errors while analyzing our data, we need to remove all these spaces and then correct the small letters at the beginning of these names. So how do we correct all these abnormalities? So we are going to use just two formulas. Number one is the trim formula, and the second formula is the proper formula. So first of all, let's remove the extra spaces at the back of all this data. So let me choose this column. So we are going to use trim. Double click here. So we select this column from here to here, and then we close with it close parenthesis. So you click enter and then you drag it from here to the number 16. So as you can see that the extra spaces have disappeared. So we are going to do the same thing to the second column. Trim. So select. Okay, so we are done with the extra spaces. So the next challenge is to remove the small letters at the front of all these names, so that we can have a proper presentation of data on this Excel page. So how do we remove small letters? So we are going to use proper, but there is a challenge. If you double click on any of these names, like this Timothy, you can see that this name contains a formula, the formula we used to trim them. So we can use a formula on a formula. You understand? So it will bring out uh, an error message for us. So how can we remove this formula? So we have to copy these two columns, copy them. So that's Control C. Then we come to a new column here, maybe here. So you right click on your mouse and then you click on paste special. You click values and you click OK. So if you now double click, the formulas disappeared. So you can choose to delete. You can choose to delete this. Then come here. So we want to remove the small letters. So we use our formula proper. Then we select this, close with a closed parenthesis. So you click on this the bottom right corner and drag it down. So as you can see, the small letter has been changed to capital letters. So we do the same thing for the second column too. Proper. So we select, then close parenthesis. So you drag. Okay. So now we need to replace these values with this. So we can delete these ones. We don't need them. Oh, sorry. We can Okay, these ones are still in formula. We need to do a post paste special for them. So that means we have to copy. So we can come here, copy. So paste special values. Okay. So when you double click, so that means we can now delete all this. So this is our final output. So I believe you can do these things on your own now. So watch out for my next tutorials on how to do some quick cleanups on our rough Excel data. Thank you so much guys for watching.